Quickly make your PowerPoint slide the same size as the image. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. In a previous video, I showed you how to make the background of an image transparent in PowerPoint. However, the default size of the slide is probably not the same as your image. In this video, I'll show you how to size the slide to exactly match the image. This will save you from having to do further edits to the image. Click on the image and picture format appears in the ribbon above it. Click on it and to the far right you'll see the height and width of the image. Make a note of these dimensions. Next, click on Design on the left side of the ribbon. You'll now see Slide Size on the right. Click on it and you get a drop-down menu with Custom Slide Size as the third item after Standard and Widescreen. When you click on Custom Slide Size, you'll be able to enter a new size for the slide. Enter the dimensions from your image here and click OK. You're now shown a pop-up that gives you the option to maximize or ensure fit. Click on Maximize. Your image is now perfectly sized. Now go to File, Save As, and save your image as a .png file to keep the background transparent, and you're done. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.